Hey guys, it's Teacher Moody again. I want to also cover present perfect continuous. Okay, so we saw present perfect. You guys, some guys told me they responded and say that that was well covered, and all the doubts that they had about that is actually gone. So I'm very glad that you guys got a chance to see it this way, because I believe that we all have different ways of studying stuff, and it is true that maybe the first time the way I was teaching, so I normally try to teach or try to instruct in different ways, so I come with different angles, because you never know, you might not understand this one, but the next time I talk about the same thing, I might actually hit the nerve. When they say you hit the nerve, okay? Yes. Present perfect continuous. So present perfect continuous, what is it? Okay, we have to understand what it is. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, actually it is also very simple, because present perfect continuous, this is also in present. But there is one thing that you should know. The way we use present perfect continuous, we use it in relation to the action that started from the past time, okay, and continued to the present when we were talking about it, and then probably it continued in the future. Okay, so does it make sense? For example, okay, you came to my office. Okay, maybe you came at 7. You stayed there. Okay, so you waited. So the action or the verb that I want to use there is the verb wait. So you continue to wait from 7. At 8, okay, at 8, you called me and say, yes, sir, or Mr. Moody, I am here. So I ask you, how long have you been waiting? I use present what? Perfect continuous. Okay, you're going to say, I have been waiting from 7. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that the action started in the past, and while I'm talking to you, you're not here yet, so I'm still waiting right now while I'm talking, and probably when the phone goes off, I'll continue waiting. So you see, that is present perfect continuous. So present perfect continuous is actually a tense that is talking about an action that started in the past, and then it continued in the present, and probably will continue in the future. So you can see there is a long time of that action. Okay, it started in the past, in present, and probably in the future. So that is how you use present perfect continuous. So I hope you guys understood in what situation you're going to be using present perfect to be using present perfect continuous. Okay, so how do we make a present perfect continuous sentence now? So it is very simple. Here the difference between present perfect continuous and present perfect is present perfect continuous has 2 auxiliary verbs. Okay, in present perfect we were using 1 auxiliary verb, which is has or have. Here we have to use have or has, okay, plus verb, auxiliary verb been. Okay, and now your verb now is not gonna be in past participle, is going to be in present participle. Okay, so present participle is a verb that has ing form, okay, which we also call what? Remember, when we're talking about present continuous, I said it's a verb that has ing is called what? Gerund, or is called present participle, not past participle. In present perfect, we use past participle. Okay, but here in this tense, which is present perfect continuous, so you're going to have or has as a must, and also you have to add to put been. Okay, and also your verb, your main verb, has to be in present participle. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. For example, if your verb is play, okay, and you want to tell somebody that the action of playing, I started a little bit earlier and I am doing it now, and I will continue to play after we finish talking. So I will say, I have been playing, okay, since 8. That means since 8 I started playing. Now I'm talking to you, I'm continuing to play, and I will probably continue to play after we're done speaking. Okay, so that is the trick. When you're asking a question in present perfect continuous, for instance, okay, have you been waiting for me for a long time? Have you been waiting for me for a long time? So you use have or has, okay, first, auxiliary verb, okay, and then you use been, okay, no, you start with auxiliary verb, has or have, and then you go to your subject, the person that you're talking about, if it's you or he or she, and then after that you go to the next auxiliary verb, which is been, okay. After that you go to your verb, okay. Have you been waiting for me for a long time? What's going to be the answer? The answer has to be in present perfect continuous too. So you're going to say, yes, I have been waiting for you for a long time, okay, or since morning, or for 2 hours. Okay, all that is present perfect continuous. Okay, but what if you're trying to have a negative answer about what you ask? For instance, if I ask you, have you been waiting for me for a long time? Okay, and you want to say no, actually I haven't. So you're going to say, no, I have not been waiting for you for a long time. Okay, I think that is very clear. Thank you very much, guys. I hope this is also well understood, and I think we're going to continue with the past tense next time, because we are done with the 4 present tense categories. So we have seen present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and now present perfect continuous. So looks like we're in a very good shape. Thank you very much. I want to sign off by saying hi to everybody, okay, especially Midle, Sharif, and Osman. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you next time.